Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Global Scholarship. Today I am going to explain you the apply process of the scholarship called IET India Scholarship Award, which is applicable to engineering students, and the scholarship reward is 60,000 rupees. The link for the application is given in the description box. To know the entire application process, please keep watching the video till the end. If you enjoy watching the content like this, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel at The Global Scholarship. You can also follow us on Instagram and Telegram at The Global Scholarship. Let's begin with the application process. Open any browser and type theglobalscholarship.org. Click on the first link that appears on your screen and you will be redirected to our official website, theglobalscholarship.org, which has three broad categories called scholarship, a broad scholarship, competition and awards. Click on the scholarship category, then you will be redirected to an interface where you will find n number of scholarship. Today let's focus on IET India Scholarship Reward. Click on the view button, then you will be redirected to an interface which includes the details of the scholarship like name of the scholarship, provider of the scholarship, start date, end date, scholarship reward that is 60,000 rupees and the course for which the scholarship is applicable for. Scroll a bit down, then you will find a scholarship description which includes all the information about the scholarship, eligibility criteria, benefits and how to apply for the scholarship. A bit down there you will find a button called login apply or click to apply for the scholarship. Then you will be redirected to official website of IET India Scholarship Award 2023. Click on the button called register now. You will find an interface which includes the IET India Scholarship Award registration page. There you need to fill the following details like your first name, last name, mobile number, landline number is an optional. Email ID, please make sure enter a valid email ID because further you need to verify the link to continue with the application. Select the university you are pursuing, select the college or the institution, select the year in which year of engineering you are pursuing, select the state, city, select the gender accordingly. And how did you get to know about this scholarship? Via email, IET website, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Then click on the submit button. After clicking on the submit button, please check your email. There you will find an email which includes a verification link. Click on the link and verify your email ID. Then you will be redirected to enter email ID and a password. Are you a student and ready to conquer the IT job market? Do you dreamt of landing a prestigious placement in renowned companies like Google, Amazon, HP, Tech Mahindra and many more? Introducing IT Placement Paper category, your gateway for cracking the top MNC placement and securing your dream IT job. Inside our IT Placement Paper category, you will find a treasure trove of placement papers from industry giants like Google, Amazon and many more. Prepare yourself with a real questions and gain a competitive edge. But that's not all. We also offer a mock test series on AWS covering an essential skills for the cloud computing. Plus, we have a mock test series for various programming languages to strengthen your coding skills. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to excel in your IT placement exams at just $699. The Global Education, your stepping stone to success in the world of IT placements. Once you enter the email ID and password, then you'll be redirected to another page where you need to enter the email ID and you will get a verification code that is called as an OTP. Please enter the detail which you have received in your email. Then you will be redirected to another interface which includes the terms and conditions to apply for this scholarship, where all the instructions are given like the eligibility criteria, selection process, scholarship amount disbursement, scholarship decisions, on what basis the scholarship applications can be disqualified, representation, making the read out all the instructions carefully and click on the checkbox that appears at the bottom of the page and continue with the application process. Here you'll find 4 forms which includes personal details, academic information, professional activities, co-curricular activities. Let's begin with one after the other. Personal details includes first name, last name, father name, mother name, date of birth, mobile number, email ID. Please enter the same email ID which you have used for the registration purpose. Then your residential address, then state, city you belong to, in which year of engineering you are pursuing. Click the checkbox if you have come via lateral entry. Then select your department or the branch you belong to, name of the university, the current institution, like whether it's a national institution or not, then the address of the college or the institution, state, city, fill out all the details accordingly. To continue with the further application process, let's click on the button called save and next. Then here we are redirected to academic information details. Here fill out your all academic related details like please select the number of semesters you have completed in BE or BTech program. your previous semester percentage, select accordingly. If you're first year engineering students, then you are not liable for this application. Please select the option of your 12th standard marks percentage or a CGPA, class 10 CGPA or the percentage. Click on save and next button. Be redirected to give the personal activities which includes the following questions. Please fill out the data accordingly. Fill out the details which are required to give the information about the professional activities. Basically we have around 8 questions. Read out the questions carefully and select the option yes or no accordingly. Then click on save and next. We'll move to let's give the details about extra or a co-curricular activities. Here are few questions like proficiency in any form of science, arts, culture, music or dance. Then have you represented any college or the university in inter-college competition or interstate or a national level competitions? Have you won any prizes, participated in any NSS or NCC? Any leadership roles you have played in NSS or NCC? Participated in any indoor or outdoor games, won any prizes in inter-college or a state or a national level, participated in any national organized events in past 6 years, have you won any prize or award as a recognition, have you been the author or presented any technical papers, have you undertaken any project activities or volunteered for any social cause, have you ever handled any social media to communicate about these themes and are you passionate about it? If yes, no, click accordingly, choose the option accordingly. Click on the submit button and you can review your application, the details which you have filled. Check all the details carefully which you have filled in 4 different applications. If any corrections are required, please you will find an edit button at the right corner. You can edit the information. Please give the relevant information about the application. Then click on the submit application button. There you will find a pop-up message which will give you a confirmation about the application process. Here you are done with your application process. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel at the Global Scholarship, and you can follow us even on the Instagram and Telegram at the Global Scholarship. Thanks for watching the video.